It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
What's going on, guys? Jake here, back again. And guys, thank you so much for supporting the last video. But yeah, guys, I have a really special guest, and say hello.
What's poppin', guys? It's me, Uncle!
Yeah, guys, well, Uncle, what will we be doing today?
We'll be breaking into the bank and finding Wario.
Wario? Holy shit, fuck, I haven't seen him in ages. Yeah, guys, I'm so excited. So, see you there at Wario's home.
See you there!
Alright, Uncle, where are you?
Oh, I'm up at Wario's house on top of the bank.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you there. Alright, guys, so as you can see a minute ago, Uncle kinda, fucking killed himself. No! But anyways, guys, he's at the hospital now with brother. And yeah, it's really sad, guys, but I have a special guest, and say hello.
Hello, Wario time!
Yeah, guys, Wario's here! Oh my god, no way! Yeah, guys, and Wario, what are we gonna be doing today?
We're gonna be breaking into the bank, my favorite activity!
Yeah, so see you at the bank!
See you there!
Alright, Wario, are you here?
Yes, we are here, and I got a key card from a police officer!
So show us how you do it!
Okay, so first we get the key card, and then we go inside.
Whoa!
Yes.
Whoa, we joined the robbery!
Yes. Now go downstairs. To the safes.
Oh, what the fuck? Go! Oh wait, I think it's more criminals. No, it's guys with guns. We're all G. What the fuck do we do? Parkour!
Wario's professional!
This is a fucking police officer. Go! No, I'm gonna get arrested. No, I'm only like 6 years old. I'm just gonna the fucking circle. No, get away from me.
No, I got arrested!
Don't worry. No, I got fucking arrested. No.
This is my saddest moment!
Alright, guys, so as you can see, we're back in jail. Wario, are you very sad?
So upset, Jake. I didn't get the money. I failed.
It's okay, Wario, because next time, we'll also be breaking out of prison again, and we'll also get Uncle's advice and help after he cures himself after, leaving the hospital. But yeah, guys, that's it for the video, guys, and watch more of our videos!
Videos!